Welcome back to day 13 of the unboxing.
All right, so the next sample we got here is BHW Floors, kind of a small package. It's nice, not a lot of the box to waste. So let's open up BHW. Interesting. Oh, wow. All right, so this sample, I think it took about 12 days to get here. These were free samples from BHW, which stands for bamboo hardwoods. I ordered some wood. I know that BHW has been around for, I think, since 1995. Pretty good quality. Let me see what else they got going here. So the back says, it says the finish, the board size, the hardness rating, the construction, the installation, the warranty, and the environmental rating. It's a lot of really good information. They also have the phone number on here and the website. Makes it easy to order. In this order, I ordered Weather Vintage. Let me see. Okay. Questions about your samples? Call us 800-607-2414. All right, that's good. Kind of small samples, but really all you need, I think. Yeah. All right, let's see what else there's. Oh, so this is nice, right? Comes with the entire catalog. So if I don't want these products, I can look at, the catalog to see what else is there. Looks like they have a whole bunch of different products and swatches to choose from. The texture is pretty soft. Yeah, overall, pretty good experience, honestly. A lot of good information, pretty good size samples, and yeah, overall, I'd give them a thumbs up.
Want to see how your customers are receiving samples from manufacturers? Check back tomorrow for another unboxing. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we drop brand new content.